it's your girl, TheKyannaAlexandra. Here's your ticket to the fashion show. You already know how it go, baby. Today we are DIYing some heels. I'm about to show you what the heels look like and what I want to do to them. I decided I want to make a YouTube video just to make a longer, in-depth version of this video. But of course, if you want something shorter, go ahead and check out either my TikTok or my Instagram. You can find the shortened version there, all right? So let's hop into this video. Okay, so I'm taking these shoes that I got from Fashion Nova, and these little petals, these are faux petals here. I'm gonna take the top layer off of them, and then I have this ostrich fur that I'm gonna put on top of it and then re-add the top petal on top of that, if that makes sense, because I want like a red and blue moment in the shoe, because the outfit that I'm using it for is gonna make sense, and I'm gonna show you at the end of the video. But for now, let's go ahead and get started with this. All right, so the first thing I want to do is try to take this part off without ripping it. I see that it is not fully like 100% attached, so that might serve me. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so you see how that just came off? It ripped. That is perfect. And then maybe with this part right here, because it doesn't look attached by much. I mean, if the petals rip, I can just glue it back on, which is what I plan on doing anyway. But I didn't want to be too I didn't want to do too much. But this little middle thing looks so big. Like, good thing this is like a plastic material, but I just don't want to rip it. Like, I don't want to. Yeah, it's like a yes. Okay, so it came off. This is perfect. So now we just have this and then this. So what I can do is just take this and just like place it back once I get the ostrich fur right into this. I don't really care about this part right here. So if it shows, it shows. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But that middle piece is what I was concerned with. So let me do the other side. So same thing for here. This little part. Whoa. This one looks more secure. Oh no. Don't be secure now. No. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. No. Oh, of course. Of course, like one wants to give me trouble and the other one was like fairly easy. I wonder, let me just, I think it'd be easier if I just grabbed a pair of like hair shears and just like, yeah, cut it just like that. Perfect. Okay. And then with this one, I'm just gonna take my time here, just pulling it up, making sure I don't rip it like how I pulled the other one. Oof. Perfect. Okay, so now I got both of them off, which is exactly how I wanted it to be. And now we can move on. All right, so now next we have this ostrich fur. So I'm just going to open them up and just get a feel of what I'm looking for. I've worked with ostrich fur before, especially this one that I got from Amazon. So I know what it entails, and that's how I knew this project was gonna work, but I'll let you know in a second what I mean. So the ostrich fur usually comes with like this little piece in the back because you're supposed to use it as a brooch, but this little clasp portion right here, all I'm gonna do is just pull that off, because you really don't need that for this project, but it really be taking me like forever to pull this off. So I'm gonna pull it off camera and then come back, but literally all you do is like pull it off. However you can get this off from the little black part, just take it off. To kind of show you guys what I'm using this little like plier tool right here, and all I'm doing is taking it and literally just peeling it off like so, because I don't use that part anyway, so I don't really care what happens to it. As long as I have this black part exposed, that's all I need. So like I said, I know by messing with these, they kind of have this little hole in the middle right here, as you can see. So what I plan on doing is just poking a hole through on this side and then taking this and then just sticking it through the top of that little flower bed bead thing right here, and then re-adding this part to the top, if that makes sense. So as you can see, I already did one shoe for my TikTok and for my Instagram, but I wanted to do that and then make sure I got it right so I can come back for you guys. So this is what I did. So I took my fur, as you can see, like I said, I needed to get a hole through it. So what I'm going to do is take a safety pin and just poke a hole where I needed to go from one side to the other, just like so. So now it knows where the hole is. From there, I'm going to pull that right back out. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my little hair shears and poke a hole through it, putting it on my table so I can get it through to the other side. And as you can see, the hole is punctured where I need it to be. It's pretty tight, so I'm not worried about it moving or anything like that. And now all I'm gonna do is take the ostrich fur and poke the faux feather plastic part of the shoe through the hole that I've made. And then when done, it looks just like this. So cute, so stinking tea. All right, so now we're here, and the point is to put this back on the shoe. We're gonna see how that looks. I don't know if this is gonna look any good. I think the vision that I had is gonna look vastly different on the foot and like in real time. And I'm not sure if I like it. Uh-oh, hold on. See, this is the part that has to get glued down, but I don't even know if I like the shoe like that. I don't think this shoe looks good like this. Interesting. Ooh. Okay, we gotta brainstorm something here because I'm not feeling this at all. All right, so after thinking some time off camera for a bit, I've decided I'm probably only going to use this little part here. So what I'm gonna do is cut this off so it can be its own little like flower petal thing. And then I'm going to take this and place it on top of here like so. Now I know the hole doesn't line up, but the hole is just kind of smaller than the little middle thing, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I think that looks good. I don't know, I'm second guessing myself here. I don't know. A part of me thinks it looks dumb and a part of me thinks it looks cute. I don't know. Okay. Dang, I was really hoping for like the big, but that does not look good at all. Like I did not like the way this looked at all. Like that just looked, wait, but what if I took this and put this on top of this? That, something about this, like the shape of this is wrong. You know what I'm saying? Like, it looks like a bow on the heel, and I don't know if I like it looking like a bow on the heel. Oh, it just looks so, and like if I cut it, that's it. Cause I'm thinking like maybe I cut it in strings to match the ostrich fur, but like, I don't know. But I love the contrast between the red and the blue. Like that was the whole purpose of getting this shoe, so that I can have like a red shoe with a blue backdrop and then red coming out of it again. So I need that red to come through somehow. maybe I just do this. Like, maybe I just do this and stop second guessing myself. This is just something that I did not think it would look like, but I don't know. I don't know. Let me put the other one like side by side. Let me try that. Let me, hold on y'all, cause as you can see, I'm like really thinking if I should go big here or go small. And a part of me is thinking to go small, but like go big or go home, right? Like, but I also wanted to still look good, y'all. Like, I wanted to still look good. Oh my goodness. That went on so easy. The other one gave me so much trouble. What the heck? Foolishness. Oh, I think the small looks much better. Okay. Oh, shoot. Y'all, I'm looking at them both. No shot. Wow, I don't know. Oh, my. Hold on, y'all, because the more I'm looking, you know what, y'all? I think I like the big one. Because the big is given red, is given. Yeah. I think we're gonna go with the big one. The small one's cute, but it's not doing what I need it to do. I need it to be more powerful like that red. Yeah, let's go with the big. Okay. Great, we're back on track. Okay. So let's take all of this out yet again. This sat in so perfectly. That's so great. Okay. Perfect. Oh, I'm glad we came to that decision. It's gonna look so good. Yeah, it's gonna look so stinking good. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Oh my gosh. So excited. Okay. Okay. All right, let me do one side for TikTok and Instagram, and then I'll come back and I'll do the other shoe with you guys. Because y'all don't need to see me do this twice, but I'm gonna make sure we're gonna do it once. You feel me? Okay, great. All right, y'all, see, I can see I have one side done. So this is exactly what I did. So first thing I did was I took my E6000 glue and I just put it all around the base of the flower and where I needed to stick onto the ostrich fur. Don't need to do too much with it, but make sure you just have enough so that when it sticks, it sticks. I also realized that the difference between the E6000 and E6000 Plus is that the Plus does not smell at all, but the Plus is a bit more expensive, so probably that's why. Maybe that's what you're paying for when you get the Plus. I don't know. It's a good I don't know, investment, question mark, if that's the right word, for the E6000, but damn, this little bottle was $15 and I usually get my E6000 for like $3, and this is a 0.9 ounce and my regular E6000 is like a 4 ounce, I think. So yeah, do with that what you will. But as you can see, I'm just putting the petals onto the shoe like such. So cute. And then once I got that down, again, we have this petal here. So what we're gonna do is pretty much do the same thing of taking our E6000 and just placing it around where we need it to go. No need for it to be all up and down the petals. Just place it right around the little hole that we have here. So when we stick it onto that stem of the flower in the shoe, it will be fine. Now, do I want to be a mismatch? Nah, let's keep everything cohesive this time. Let's not do too much. So we're just going to take this and place the Okay, just like so. And this is what this one looks like. Remember, I messed up this, so it didn't actually get through the hole. It's actually on the petal itself, which kind of sucks, but far away, nobody's gonna see that, and nobody will be that close to my shoe anyway, but you guys, okay? Great, cool. So again, we're just gonna press this down like so, and the glue is gonna pretty much take care of the rest. And that is what the shoes look like, y'all. Like, they look so good. They're bright and they're beautiful. Yeah, that right here is what I was looking for. This is literally what I was looking for. I was not looking for that one petal little thing. Like, I really wanted something big, and this was that. I'm thinking to cut this part off up here. If I cut it, I can't go back. Cause it just looks dumb. Like, it looks like, no, it's supposed to be wilted in. Okay, wait. Let me not cut that. It's supposed to be wilted in. Yeah, okay. Got it. I almost ruined that. Okay, great. So that is the shoe. That is the shoe. What y'all think? All right, and this is the outfit that I'm planning to wear with the shoes. So cute. Everything's not worked out yet, but the top and the skirt is absolutely what I'm gonna wear. I don't know about the scarf yet, but yeah, this is the outfit. Tell me what y'all think. These are so cute. Okay, I don't have much time because my battery's dying, but this is what the shoes look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you're not already following me on my social media, it's gonna be on a graphic on the screen. This is so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. I will see you guys in the next video, okay? Bye. Oh, and I also recommending, if you have like a air conditioner or something, to sit your project under the air conditioner so it can really harden and really dry before you use them, okay? Like 30 minutes or so, okay? Great, cool.